The iOS 15 update is now available. Want to know how to upgrade your device to iOS 15? I'm Jessica from techboomers.com, and in this video, I'll be showing you how to get iOS 15 on your iPhone. Now let's get started. To get the iOS 15 update, open your iPhone settings. Select General. Then select Software Update. At the bottom, tap Upgrade to iOS 15. Tap Download and Install. If prompted, enter your passcode. In the bottom right corner, tap Agree. To confirm, tap Agree in the pop-up window. The software update will then begin downloading. This process may take a while. Once the download is complete, tap Install Now to begin the installation process. Once the installation is done, your device will reset and iOS 15 will be ready to use. That's all it takes to update your iPhone to iOS 15. Stay tuned for more iOS 15 tutorials. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every week.